What's up viewers? In this video we're going to be installing some exhaust tips. It's very easy to spend a fortune on your RAV4, and in a world where there are so many modifications and aftermarket accessories for a car that's not even 2 years old, it's pretty impressive. And when there are millions of this RAV4 on the road already, your RAV4 is going to get boring. And that's why we do customizations and modifications to stand out. And one simple and affordable way to do that is to add black aftermarket exhaust tips. This exhaust tip is by DC Sports on Amazon. It is a very popular accessory and a simple modification to do to your RAV4. The chrome exhaust tip on the RAV4 is held in place by 4 or 5 pinched points that apply compression to the pipe that is connected to the muffler. Once we are able to twist that chrome tip, we are able to hammer it out, and then we can install this through the compression of 3 points on this that I removed because it jiggles a lot. So we'll go out there, we'll go through the process of removing it, putting this on, aligning it so it's straight, and then we'll take a look at how it looks. We can probably install this in under an hour, and I'm going to show you how. So this is your RAV4 exhaust tip. You have the chrome part here that sticks out, and then right back here is your low quality metal that you can probably barely see. We're just simply going to twist and pull this out, both on this side and on that side. If we look inside of here, the chrome has an inner layer, and then you have your pipe. It is pinched on there. You can see right there how it's pinched. Then there's another one there, another one there, and then one more there. So we're simply just gonna I guess manhandle this to pull this off. And then install this in its location. So we'll need to find a certain good distance to get this installed in a good looking way. This is the exhaust tip. It is held in place by the compression of these 4 points plus this point up here. And then for a more side-by-side comparison, this one is more rounder than this. So we'll see how that looks overall. Now we're going to take these 3 points, loosen them up, and then fit it around that exhaust tip. In terms of distance of how far I want to stick this out in the front, I'm probably going to have it just behind the hitch line so that it still sticks out and looks kind of aggressive, but doesn't stick out to where it'll be a tripping hazard, let's say. The chrome one sticks really far behind in comparison. So that is how you install the aftermarket black exhaust tips by DC Sports on Amazon. It's very easy to do. You just need a little bit of muscle to get that chrome exhaust tip off, and a little bit of patience to add the aftermarket exhaust tip and aligning it the way you want it. I hope this video helps, and I will see you in the next one.